How to delete draft reels on Instagram. Hey guys, in today's video, I'll show you how to delete draft reels on Instagram quickly and easily. So make sure to watch this video till the end, and let's get started. To begin, open the Instagram app on your device. Once the app is open, you will see this home page. And then head to your profile by tapping on the profile icon at the bottom right. Next, tap on the plus icon at the top of the screen and select the Reels section. Now, tap on Drafts, where you'll see all your saved reels. Scroll through the list and find the draft reel you want to delete. Once you've selected the draft, tap on the three-dot menu next to it. A list of options will appear. Simply tap on Delete. A confirmation message will pop up asking if you're sure you want to delete the draft permanently. To proceed, tap Delete again. Keep in mind that once a draft is deleted, it cannot be recovered, so make sure you don't need it anymore before confirming. And that's it. Your draft reel is now deleted. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more useful videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.